Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore a simple JavaScript program that checks whether a given positive number is divisible by either 3 or 7. Let's dive in. The task is to determine whether a number is divisible by 3 or 7. If it's divisible by either, we'll return true. Otherwise, we'll return false. Here's the code. The test37 function checks if a number is divisible by either 3 or 7. Using the modulus operator, if the remainder is 0 for either condition, the function returns true, indicating that the number is a multiple. The modulus operator returns the remainder when a number is divided. If the remainder is 0, that means the number is divisible by either 3 or 7 and we return true. Otherwise, we return false. In this example, 12 is divisible by 3, so the function returns true. Here, 14 is divisible by 7, so the function returns true as well. In this case, 10 is not divisible by either 3 or 7, so the function returns false. Similarly, 11 is not divisible by 3 or 7, so the function also returns false. Here's the same code written using ES6 error functions, making it more concise, but still performing the same check for divisibility by 3 or 7. In summary, using the modulus operator, we can easily check if a number is a multiple of 3 or 7 in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming content.